Hello, my name is Adam Bean, and today I would like to show you a little tool I'm using together with NetBeans for code coverage. So to demonstrate you this, I would like to create a project from scratch, but this time it is going to be a more complete example called the BCE archetype. This is entity control boundary pattern. So coverage, I call the project. So it will create Java project which with some unit tests. So it's a very basic project. I'll show you just some unit tests. For instance, there is a unit test for registration boundary, which happens to be an EJB. So yeah, it just tests the registration process. And what I would like to do is I would like to measure the code coverage. So how to do this? I will just introduce here a plugin section to the Maven project and introduce the Jacoco Maven plugin. I used the most recent version because I'm using Java 8, so I need the more recent version of the Jacoco Maven project. In Java 7 and Java 6 I used earlier projects. So what I only have to do now, I just perform clean and build. And then something interesting happens. So now all the tests are successful, but now I get additional menu item called code coverage. And what I can do, I can see the reports. As you can see, some of the classes are not tested at all, like the resource, JAX-RS and configuration, and some are integration tested only, like the logger exposer. But what's interesting here, there's one class called registration, which and registrations, which test coverage 87%. So if you go to the class, you see it is everything is tested except this method. And what else we have? This is fully tested, and the class registration is everything is tested but not the constructor, which is actually funny. So thank you for watching, and see you at one of upcoming conferences, workshops, or even AirHacks. A very small note on this is I'm not using code coverage for numbers. What I'm doing with code coverage, I'm seeking for no more use code. So for instance, this both methods are probably not used, so I could safely delete them if everything is tested and is still red, probably forgotten code. So code coverage is a good test to identify that code. Thank you for watching again, and see you one of upcoming conferences, workshops, or even AirHacks. And once a month for the regular AirHacks QA. I think it is the first Monday of the month at 6 p.m. CET. Thank you.